It's Easter again. Good morning, girls. Congratulations, Easter. Come on, little silkies and little ones. Good morning, girls. Happy Thursday. You'll have a good sleep. Miss Easter, there's Miss Easter right there. Congratulations on the big win today. First out of the coop again. There's Callie right there. Callie, you almost had a whole week. What was it, last week? But not this week. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope you have a terrific Thursday. Looking forward to the weekend. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching Chicken Capers. I really appreciate it. Be blessed.